Good morning everyone, Bridget here again. Today again a very simple Anglo-Indian dish that is probably cooked in Anglo-Indian homes practically every week or maybe every fortnight. It's just a simple Anglo-Indian beef pepper fry, and my ingredients are very simple as usual. I don't use ginger and garlic in my pepper fry, so I'm sure that you like this video, and I hope you'll try this recipe that I'm going to show you now. So come along, let's get started. So as I said, the ingredients are very simple. I have 2 onions that are sliced, 1 small tomato that I have chopped, 3 potatoes that I have peeled and chopped, and just 1 green chilli that I have just slit in half. So these are the ingredients. I'm using 300 grams of beef, just plain crushed pepper and salt. So these are the ingredients. Now let's get cooking. So I've heated 2 tablespoons of oil in this pan, and I'm going to add our sliced onions, and the slit green chilies. So I'm letting this fry for just a little while, not letting it get brown or golden. I'm just heating it so that the onions just soften a little bit. As you can see, the onions have all opened up. I have just fried a little. So now, even though it hasn't browned or it's not become golden, it's just a light pink, I'm going to add in our beef. Okay, and we'll give it a stir. So as you can see, the beef is changing color and becoming firm. So just fry for a little while. You can see the meat has changed color. It's also given out quite a bit of water. Good. Now I'm going to add, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. Since this is pepper fry, it will have a lovely peppery taste. Okay, and your tomatoes. So stir everything well. Now again, there's no hard and fast rule. If you feel like you want to add your ginger and garlic to this, go ahead. But this is my way of making a pepper fry, and you will see that it tastes quite awesome. Okay. So even the tomatoes need not become too soft. Once you see that it starts frying well and the oil starts coming out, you can add sufficient water just to cover the beef. Now you add in your salt. Again, this is to taste. And I'm adding in the potatoes whole. And now I'm going to cover and simmer till the beef is done. So it's simmering well. You can see that it's almost getting done. If you want, you can remove it now. Our pepper fry is now done. You can see that it's very cooked. So just you can now turn off the heat and let it rest for some time till the curry draws in all the flavors. Now we turn off the heat and let the curry rest for some time till all the flavors settle in. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did cooking our pepper fry. This is it. Do like and share this video if you liked it, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.